Can AI actually start a business for you? I tested 3 AI mini businesses in one day, and the results shocked me. First, I tried an AI thumbnail agency. I used Canva plus AI to create 3 thumbnails in 10 minutes. I posted the samples on Fiverr, and guess what? I got my first profile visit within 30 minutes. Not a client yet, but the interest was real. Second business, AI scriptwriting. I used ChatGPT to create a YouTube script in less than 60 seconds. I uploaded sample scripts to my gig and this one got the highest clicks. People love quick scripts. Third business, AI short video editing. I used Opus Clip plus CapCut to edit 3 short videos instantly. I posted samples on TikTok and Fiverr. And this business got the most engagement. AI editing equals super demand right now. So after testing all 3, the best AI business for beginners is